In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email to imported contact Mautic. We'll start inside your Mautic account. Open your Mautic site and log in with your credentials so you land on the dashboard. From here, we're heading to where outbound messages live. On the left navigation, open channels, then choose emails. This is where all of your existing emails are listed, including the one you prepared earlier for your imported contacts. Find the specific email you want to send and open it. You'll see the email's overview page with details like subject and status. To make sure it goes to the right audience, click Edit. This takes you into the email settings where you control targeting. Look for the section that lets you choose recipients by segment. In Mautic, segments are how you group contacts, so your imported list should already be in a segment you created or mapped during import. Open the drop-down and select the segment that contains those imported contacts. If you use multiple segments, you can add the ones that are relevant, but keep in mind the email will go to all contacts in the selected segments who are eligible to receive it. As a tip, if you don't see your segment, check that it's been created correctly and that contacts finished processing after import. Sometimes large lists need a moment to index. With the segment chosen, review the basic details of the email one more time, subject line from name and any personalization tokens you added, then click Save and Close. Saving locks in the audience selection and you'll return to the email's overview page. Now you're ready to send. Click Send on the email overview. Mautic will show a confirmation screen to make sure everything looks right. This is a good moment to confirm you picked the intended segment and that the email is in the correct language and category for reporting. When you're confident, click Send again to launch the message to your imported contacts via that segment. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. The Send button may be disabled if no segment is selected, so always ensure at least one segment is in place. Only contacts who are subscribed, published, and not marked as Do Not Contact will receive the email. Deliverability also depends on your email configuration, so make sure your sending domain and authentication are set up beforehand. That's it. You've successfully targeted your imported contacts by selecting their segment, saved your changes, and sent the email.